If you want to run faster, swim better, or indeed improve your ability in any sport, you have to work on and analyse your technique. Now, this has involved strapping our top athletes up to batteries of monitors in the lab. But now sports engineers in Queensland have come up with a small device that allows athletes to train on their own turf. Marianne de Macy takes her mark to check out the new technology.
Elite athletes aim to have perfect technique. They've trained for years, and their performance seems effortless. Advances in sports science have helped enormously, but often require tricky and expensive lab setups. This device, called an inertial sensor, may offer an alternative. About the size of a matchbox, this gadget can give athletes and their coaches vital information about their technique without having to go into the lab. I've decided to check it out for myself and have my results analysed against some of the big guns of the track.
Take your mark. Set.
Those results will be interesting. Now, the beauty about this device is its portability, and for athletes a little more serious than I am, they can wear it while they're training and then post it back to the scientists for analysis. An inertial sensor has two components: an accelerometer that records the body's linear acceleration and a gyroscope that records rotation. From these recordings, body motion can be analysed in 3 dimensions: vertically, mediolaterally or sideways, and anterior-posteriorly or forwards and backwards. Stride rate can also be worked out from these measurements. So we're about to go and have a look at the results, although I'm a little worried about how mine will stack up against this competition. What's the main difference between Chris and I?
He's putting a lot more power into his strides, and we'd expect that from a professional athlete. We can see that Chris, throughout the course, he's maintained a very consistent stride. Something happens here though, Marianne, and there's a loss of consistency in stride.
So I've lost the plot.
Something to work on in the future. This technology allows the athlete to wear this device in their everyday training session and in the competitive environment. They don't have to come to a special facility for assessment. It also gives them information that's easier to obtain, as traditional methods can be quite labour-intensive.
And its size and adaptability make it ideal for testing other sports. At the moment, they use underwater cameras to analyse technique. But now this new device can do the same without the expensive high-tech gadgetry. Placed on multiple points of the body, the device can give an even clearer analysis of swimming motion and coordination of the stroke and kick. And analysing the results can be done straight away. Danny, this is taking the device to the next step. We've got 3 devices here to measure Luke's performance. How did he go?
This is from the wrist, from the lower back, and from the ankle. And when all the information's combined, we can get a very clear sense about what's happening with the swimmer and the water. We can find out a bit about the propulsive effects that the swimmer's generated and how much power there is in their stroke.
The device has also been tested on rowers and tennis players and is now being applied to cricket to help answer that crucial question:
is the person bowling or are they throwing? This technology can help us to make that decision, and that's of great interest to the athletes.
And I'm sure to all those cricket fans out there. But in the meantime, I think I'll stick to perfecting my running technique.